Welcome my dear 4th class students. Welcome back to social class. A very good morning to each and everyone. So children, as you know, we completed our social class. Now we are doing the textbook, the smart book, backside of the smart book. So before class we completed till page number 80. Today I am going to tell you page number 81. So be careful, I am writing on the board. Please copy a smart book. So I will read for you. See, let's connect. Let's connect. So everyone are able to see the let's connect. So what is there in the let's connect? See, some images are given. Images are nothing but the pictures. Then afterwards they gave the questions. So what you must do? First you read and answer this question given below. So I will read for you. There is a water in each of these containers. Are the containers of the same shape? Yes or no? See, here some containers are given. No, they are in the different sizes and different shape. Are the same or they are different? So they are different. So you should mark no. Then we move on to the first one. A. What is the shape of water? Does water has any shape, children? No. So what is the answer? No, no shape. You write no shape. Water doesn't have any shape. So the next one, does water have a different shape? So water have any different types of shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle and the oval, star, diamonds? No. So what you write? No. The water doesn't have any shape. What shape does the water take? What shape that water take? So whenever you pour into the glass, it will take the glass shape. When you pour into the bowl, it take bowl shape. When you pour into the bottle, it take bottle shape. When you pour into the bucket, it take bucket shape. When you pour into the pot, it take pot shape. When you pour into the tub, it take tub shape. So container shape. Okay, then D1. What is the color of water? Children, the water have any color? No, water doesn't have any color. No color. Now E1. What is the taste of water? See, if you drink water, so you feel any taste. It tastes like sweet, it tastes like sour, it tastes like salty. No, water doesn't have any taste. No taste. Okay, then F1. Had haldi, pasupu powder or orange juice or tea leaves to water. What do you see? The water takes the color of. So you are taking water in a bowl and you are adding haldi, and haldi is nothing but pasupu. Then you are adding orange juice. Then you are adding the tea leaves to the water. So what do you see? At last, what you see? What the water takes the color of haldi, yellow color, haldi. So what is the spelling of haldi? H-A-L-D-I, haldi. Okay, now we move on to the G1. Add sugar or salt or turmeric. Turmeric means chintapandu to water. How does it taste? The water taste. So you are adding sugar to the water, you are adding salt to the water, you are adding turmeric to the water. So what taste the water? So the water tastes sweet, then salty, otherwise sour. Understood? Okay, we turn the page. So how you save the water? So I'll read for you. Understood? We must not waste water. So we must not waste water. Water is valuable. Water is valuable. We must use water carefully. So they gave some instruction how to save the water. So I'll read for you. You listen carefully. We can save water by following a few simple rules. So they gave the rules. The first rule is close the tap while brushing your teeth. So children, what they will do, they open the tap and they will brush the teeth. So it is the bad habit. While brushing the teeth, you should close the tap. Then the next rule is what? Use a bucket and mug to take a bath. So when you are taking a bath, you should take a bucket and mug. Understood? To avoid using the shower. So if you have the shower at home also, please use a bucket and mug. Why? Because you should save the water. Then repair leaking taps and pipes. So when you find any leaking tap and pipes in your home, please you repair the leaking taps and pipes. Then pour the leftover water in your water bottles and use it to water the plants. See, sometimes you drink only half of the bottle water and then you pour into the sink. That is not good habit. So what the leftover water you should pour to the plants. In this way you can save the water. Understood? We now know that we must not waste water. So here down they give list 3 ways how you will save water. List 3 ways how you will save water. Here some instruction rules they given. No? Out of this you select 3. You select 3 and write it down here. You select 3 and write it down here. Understood children? Everyone? So in the Zoom then we move on to the My Turn 1. We'll move on to the My Turn 1. Already this one I explained in the Zoom class. Understood? And the My Turn 2, My Turn 3. Then what is the My Turn 4? My Turn 4 is the activity. So what you must do? You must do the water cycle. So they gave all the instructions. You and along with your parents do it at home. Understood? So I will explain you the My Turn 5. My Turn 5. I'll write it on the board. Please copy in your smart book. Okay. Name the following. The first one. The gaseous form of water. What is the gaseous form of the water? Water cycle. Water vapor. Sorry. Water vapor. My Turn 5. The first A1. Water vapor. Now B1. Change of water into water vapor on heating. Evaporation. Evaporation. Then C1. Change of water vapor into the water on cooling. Condensation. Condensation. Then D1. The continuous movement of water on the earth and air around it through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and the water collection is called what it is called? It is called water cycle. It is called water cycle. Then the natural and main source of water on the earth. What is the natural source? Of course, it is rain. Okay, then we move on to the tick the correct option, the second bit. Our earth surface is covered with about, answer is first one. Circle the first one, A1. Now B1. Water that falls on the earth in the form of rain, hail and snow is called precipitation. Is called precipitation. So what is the answer? Third one. What is the answer? one, the natural source of water for our use are all of these. Fourth one. Then turn the page. Oceans and seas water is soda, sweeter, salty or bitter? Salty. That is the third one. Salty. Now E1. Humans, animals, birds and plants need water to live, grow, exist. All of these. Fourth one. Okay, then we move on to true or false. Third bit. True or false. Okay, when the sun shines on the water, it gets heated and changes into the steam or water vapor. So it is true or false? True. Right? T. Then we move on to the B. Surface water is brought up by digging an open well or tube well. No, it is false. C1. During evaporation, the salts remain in the sea and the sea water because they cannot evaporate easily. So it is true. Now D1. A dam is strong, high and thick wall that is built across a river. True. Then E1. Canals are constructed to bring river water to our homes. False. So, these you copied in your smart book. Okay children, I hope everyone will understood this part. Then write it in the smart book neatly without any mistakes. Be safe until we meet next class. Thank you children.